Today we have Blue Raspberry Creamsicle from Railway City Brewing Company in St. Thomas, Ontario, Canada. We've already featured the Orange Creamsicle from this company. This is a new release and I'm excited to try it. It's a 4.8% alcohol.
I want you guys to check out this guy. A Beer and a Joke is the name of his channel. He's really funny.
This is all about.
I'll put the link in the description. And check him out and subscribe to him. He's a great guy. And he's pretty funny. I'll let this play through for your entertainment as I'm brewing my 8th Naked Lemon beer.
I don't know. It is really blue. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is a blue beer. It even has blue foam. Who knew? Very interesting, very unique flavor. Definitely has that creamsicle texture. Does taste a little blue. Huh. I gotta try it again. Yeah, that's very good. Very refreshing. Kind of like a popsicle. To drink some of that this summer before they run out. I've been racking my brain all day, and I come up with one quick one-liner like, did you know Smurfette was environmentally friendly? Because she has a blue box. But that's not really a great joke for being a joke, so I came up with another one. There's two ladies, they've been friends for a long time, and the one lady lives in the country and the other one lives in the city. So the city girl, she comes out to visit the lady in the country after a long time, and they're sitting around talking, and the lady says, you know, I've been trying something new We're trying something new in the garden. Said, I'm trying to excuse me. Trying to make my raspberries blue. Says, how are you doing that? She goes, well, I've been crossbreeding blueberries with raspberries because I like the blue color and I like the taste of raspberries. So maybe we should go out and have a look, see how they're coming along. So they get out to the garden, and she says, look, here, see? I've got these raspberries, and they're blue. Wow, that's incredible, blue raspberries. I can't believe you've done it. She says, well, what are you going to do with them? She says, well, I don't know, I might make some beer. But mostly I just want to eat them. And while we're out here, I'm going to dig up some potatoes for supper. Oh, well, okay. So she goes, grabs her shovel out of the garden shed, and she digs up some potatoes, and these potatoes are huge. She holds them up like this. She's like, oh my goodness. She said, these remind me of my husband's balls. And her city friend says, oh my goodness, your husband's balls are that big? She says, oh, no, they're just this dirty. Beer and a joke.
Beer and a Joke. Check him out on YouTube. That's his name, A Beer and a Joke. And he does beer reviews and that. He's a funny guy.
Oh, for the first time in history.